Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to convert the polyline text into text format in AutoCAD. So in the last video we had learned that how to import a PDF file and how to convert it into a CAD file directly from AutoCAD. And on that video we had a latest comment from Shahid Moin dash S7K, which was 2 days ago. So we are addressing that comment. So the comment said that he wanted to learn about how to convert the polyline text into text ob- objects. So basically, so if you don't know how to convert the PDF file into a CAD file, then do refer our previous video. And if you all already know, then it's good for you. So right now what is there is imported is of a PDF format which has been converted into a text. So what you have to do for that is basic. It is very basic. Just you have to select the PDF import. You have to go on PDF import. You have to select your CAD file, which is right over here. And over here you will get a ton of options on which you have to what you have to do is you have to tick all of these words, what I have ticked in this. So in the PDF data to import, vector geometry you have to tick, solid fills you have to tick, and true type text you have to tick. If this is not there in your file, then your text will come as a polyline text. I will show you right over here. So if I place my drawing, my PDF file right over here, so this is the new file. Okay, so as you can see, there is no text in this. So it is very important that you note down all the all the things that is important to be ticked and to be selected in when you are importing a PDF file into AutoCAD. And